In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove highlight color in WPS Office. Highlighting text can be very useful when you're reviewing or editing a document, but there are times when those highlights are no longer needed. In this video, I will show you how to remove highlight color from specific text, as well as how to clear all highlight colors from an entire document at once. This method is simple, quick, and works perfectly when you want your document to look clean and professional. To start removing a highlight color from a specific part of your document, first make sure you select the text where the highlight needs to be removed. Take your time to highlight only the words or sentences you want to change. Once the text is selected, move your attention to the Home tab at the top of the screen. This is where most of the basic formatting tools are located. While you are on the Home tab, look for the Text Highlight Color option. Next to it, you will see a small drop-down arrow. Click that drop-down to open the Highlight Color menu. From the available options, click No Color. As soon as you do this, you will immediately notice that the highlight color disappears from the selected text. The words remain exactly the same, but the background highlight is completely removed. Now, if you are working on a document that contains many highlighted sections and you want to remove all of them at the same time, you do not need to go through each part one by one. There is a faster way to handle this. First, select all the text in your document by pressing Ctrl+A on your keyboard. This selects everything, including all highlighted text. With all the text selected, go back to the Home tab once again. Click the drop-down beside Text Highlight Color, just like before. From the menu, click No Color. Instantly, all highlight colors throughout the entire document will be removed in one step. This is especially helpful when you receive a document filled with highlights and want to reset it quickly. Using these methods allows you to clean up your document efficiently, whether you are adjusting a small section or clearing highlights from the entire file. It helps ensure your text looks consistent and ready for final review or sharing. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.